Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to add labels to the bar chart using d3.js. So this is the output we are going to expect from our code. You can see there is a labels in text 354. So I am going to open a new workspace. Here I have added the script which locates the d3.js library in the HTML, and this is the JavaScript which I have shown in my previous tutorials. Now I'm just going to add a label to this bar chart. So I am going to close this HTML. So now you are seeing only the JavaScript in the output. For adding the label, we need to add another element called text, and it is very similar to the previous block of creating rectangle. So I am going to copy the next three lines. So here the data set gets entered into this block. Now I will append the text. So now we got our text. The next step will be creating a function. This will make sure we are going to get exactly those numbers. If we have a multi-columnar table, in that case we need to mention only the column which we need to be shown in our graph. Here we only have these 6 numbers, so I'm just adding a function to return the data into this function. Now again, for text there is only two attributes, that is x and y. You are basically going to mention where the label should appear. So we have already made a random dynamic formula which will show us our text exactly where the bar is located. So let's fix these errors. I need to add the curly braces. I have given comma instead, so I'm adding the curly braces and returning those things. So these are basically the semicolons are missing. Okay, if we add the semicolon, I think this will fix. Yeah. So we have got our numbers, but you see the numbers are in extreme left. So I want to make them in the middle of the bar. Actually, we have copied the same formula from the rectangle. The rectangle are created at the exact point where the number is created. Since we have added the width, it takes extra space. Now I need to create an formula which will make the text in the middle of the bar. So what I will do is add another width bar dataset dot length. But it went extremely towards that side because we have padding. Let's um, minus that padding. Our padding is 2. So now it came in the end of the bar. Now I need to make it center, so it should be divided by 2. That's it. We can see, we can also modify the height where the number should appear. If I give +4, it will come inside the bar, but you see the first bar length height is only 3, so it get immersed, we cannot see the number 3. So just make it as default and make it in the top of the bar.